So, the introduction of Shopify is an enterprise e-commerce operating system designed to ensure both short-term success and long-term stability. Designed to maximize returns and resources, it helps you outsmart rather than outspend competitors, keeps you ahead of changing client expectations, and increases the effectiveness of your development team. So the next slides present about problem statement. The first one is ERP integration. ERP integration manage numerous suppliers, low employee productivity from manual tasks, delays in shipping, incorrect shipments due to higher order volumes. The second one is multi-channel integration. This one is having said that running a large number of Shopify sites may be quite challenging and frustrating. The last but not least, no increase in sale. So please take note that a large volume of traffic does not equate to sales.
On this slide, we are going to do literature review. So the first item we are going to review is the company background. So Shopify is a Canadian multinational e-commerce company that was founded in 2006 by Tobias Lute and Scott Lake, headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario. So basically, Shopify is an e-commerce platform for online stores and retail point of sale system. The Shopify system is built on template language, forming the backbone for its e-commerce store. They launched API platform and app store to enable third-party integration and developer contribution. Shopify also expand payment processing, which is Shopify payment, and introduce point of sale system for in-person sale. They go through to Shopify's technology. They use a single MySQL database, and then eventually they introduce sharding to distribute its workload across multiple databases before they eventually changing to fully isolated instances. However, over the years, Shopify launched Hydrogen, which is an open source JavaScript framework for building custom storefront designed specifically for client-facing application. Developers can deploy this Hydrogen storefront to Oxygen, which is the Shopify's managed hosting and content delivery network. Surveying their applications. Shopify has two, which is Shopify in App Store. Surveying their application they use is ShopPay, which is the Shopify's one-click checkout system, which simplifies online shopping by saving users shipping and payment detail. Application they use is ShopRun. Then we are going to review the current cloud used by Shopify. Shopify already migrated to Google Cloud Platform as its growing user base and the extreme scalability demand of its platform. It was essential as Shopify's cover over millions of businesses worldwide and process massive amount of traffic, especially during peak shopping season like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So the key technologies leveraged by Shopify on Google Cloud Platform. The first one is Google Kubernetes Engine, which is a function to manage containerized application at scale. The second one is Compute Engine, which is function virtual machine for processing power. The third one is cloud storage to store static assets and backup. The fourth is we use BigQuery to analyze huge data set for business intelligence. And the last one, global load balancing to ensure smooth performance across regions. So we are going to review the current cloud architecture also, which is Shopify currently utilize cloud-based technologies to enhance its e-commerce platform, which is Shopify operation on robust cloud infrastructure that support high concurrency and unlimited data throughput to enable smooth transaction for users. So Shopify also implement advanced security measures, including data encryption and secure payment processing, which are critical to maintain user trust in e-commerce transaction. Architecture also, which is Shopify currently utilize cloud-based technologies to enhance its Shopify API facilitates integration with various applications, enhancing product distribution management. So the cloud-based architecture support the development of additional features such as price comparison tool, which improve the overall Shopify API facilitates shopping experience. Okay, on this slide, we are going to review the cloud model that we want to suggest. So the best deployment model, we suggest hybrid cloud, which is combination of public and private cloud. So we should use Google Cloud Platform to handle dynamic large-scale workloads and traffic spike during events. We also can use private cloud for security and sensitive data, and also hybrid model allow Shopify to create backup and disaster recovery solution using both public and private cloud environment. So for the best cloud delivery model, we suggest software as a service SaaS. So Shopify can update seamlessly without customer involvement. Also, it's scalable for users and support Shopify's recurring revenue structure. Also, for the best cloud platform, we should use Google Cloud Platform (GCP) as GCP's global network ensure low latency and fast delivery worldwide. Also, it can handle peak traffic efficiently during using auto scaling capabilities. Also, the Google Kubernetes engine may offer robust container orchestration Last but not least, the big query of GCPs and machine learning services are ideal for Shopify's analytic and personalization needs, shopping experience. Okay, on this slide, we are going to review the cloud model that we want to suggest. So the best deployment model, we suggest hybrid cloud, which is combination of public and private cloud. So we should use Google.
Now we're on the case studies slide. For the specific requirement, Shopify is a global commerce platform designed to deliver speed, customization, dependability, and security to businesses of all sizes. To meet all these requirements, Shopify depends on a strong infrastructure and a collection of technologies that guarantee companies can run effectively. So the first requirement is speed. Speed is to ensure fast load times and seamless transactions. It also quick API integration for smooth operations, avoid downtime during high traffic periods. The second is customization. The function is to support unique brand experiences with modular design tools. It also offers developer-friendly APIs and variable themes and allow businesses to tailor workflows to their needs. Third is dependability. It provides 99.9% uptime for a strong service level agreement, or known as SLA. It also ensures data redundancy and system monitoring and implement disaster recovery to prevent interruption. Lastly is security. It adheres to global standards like PCI DSS. It also protects sensitive data and payment information and build trust among customers by reducing tasks. Now we are at the proposed cloud model. I want to tell about the service model that has been chosen. The service model is software as a service, or known as SaaS. It is because SaaS is fully managed platform. Shopify handles software updates, server maintenance, and technical operations. The second reason is scalable solutions. The platform grows with businesses adapting to their changing needs. Third is subscription-based pricing. It is affordable and accessible for businesses of all sizes. The last important reason is easy accessibility. User can access the platform from anywhere, enabling flexibility for users. For the reason why not we choose IaaS or PaaS as a service model is for IaaS is businesses must manage software, security, and other technical aspects. Adds complexity and requires technical expertise, which goes against Shopify's goals of simplicity. And the reason why not we choose PaaS is PaaS focuses on building and managing custom application, require more efforts from users, unlike Shopify's ready-to-use approach. So from all the reasons, it showed that SaaS, or software as a service, is the best suit service model for Shopify. Now I want to tell about deployment model that has been chosen. So we decide to choose hybrid cloud, which combines both public and private cloud. There are four main reasons why we choose hybrid cloud. The first one is flexibility and scalability. As an example, the public cloud helps Shopify handle more traffic during busy times, such as public holiday, while the private cloud keeps sensitive data secure and allows for custom processes. It also providing both flexibility and control. The second reason is cost efficiency. The public cloud is cheaper because Shopify shares resources with other businesses, and the private cloud is used only the specific tasks, so Shopify avoids spending on unnecessary infrastructure. The third one is data security and compliance. As example, sensitive data can be stored in the private cloud for better security, while other operations run on the public cloud, helping meet privacy and legal requirements without slowing down performance. The last reason is customization and control. The private cloud gives Shopify control over specific parts of its platform, like security and performance, while the public cloud handle general operations to balancing control with flexibility.
Hi, okay, so I will present about cloud architecture solutions. For the key features, elasticity, availability, security, affordability, and compliance meet Shopify e-commerce ecosystem demands. Next, for Google Cloud ecosystem, provides reliable, scalable internet infrastructure to support Shopify's global operations. Then, for optimized infrastructure, designed for speed, customization, reliability, and security to meet immediate and future needs. Next, long-term benefits, prepares Shopify for scalability and adaptability to evolving customer expectations. And the last one, improve shopping experience. Powers millions of business to deliver better shopping experience, whether online, in-store, or hybrid. Okay, now we go to slide architecture online. There is 6 points I want to explain. The first one, hybrid cloud model. Combines Google Cloud Platform for scalability and flexibility with a private cloud for security and compliance. Next one, public cloud. Core services. GKE for container orchestration, compute engine for virtual machines, cloud storage for assets, BigQuery for analytics, and cloud CDN for global delivery. For security, IAM for role-based access and Cloud Armor for DDoS protection. Next, private cloud. Manage sensitive data and ensures compliance with PCI DSS and GDPR. Then data integration and security. Secure API gateways and dedicated interconnects for secure data transfer between public and private clouds. Then disaster recovery and operations. Google Cloud DR solutions and multi-region storage for data redundancy and resilience with cloud built for CI or CD and cloud operations suite for monitoring. And last one, key benefits. Scalable, secure, and efficient infrastructure to meet current operational needs while preparing for future growth and technological advancements. Okay, then we move to cost analysis. Okay, the first one, public cloud cost. Includes compute service such as GKE and compute engine, and storage such as cloud storage and BigQuery, networking like cloud CDN, analytics like BigQuery, and operational tools like Cloud Armor and Cloud Operations Suite with auto scaling optimizing cost. The next one, private cloud cost, covers initial infrastructure investment or leasing, ongoing maintenance, and compliance audits for GDPR and PCI DSS. Then disaster recovery costs involves expenses for multi-region backups and disaster recovery solutions, increasing storage and compute costs. Next, operational tools includes costs for DevOps tools and monitoring service to support efficient cloud operations. Then, cost optimization strategies utilizes workload right sizing, lower cost storage tiers, and GCP sustained use and committed use discounts to reduce expenses. And the last one, overall value. Balances high initial private cloud costs with scalability, optimized resource utilization, and compliance readiness for a cost-effective, sustainable model. Then we move to security measures. For the first one, data encryption. Advanced encryption protocols secure data in transit and at rest, protecting sensitive information like payment details from unauthorized access. Second one, private cloud security. Sensitive data is managed in a secure environment using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and strict access controls. The third one, public cloud security. GCP tools like Cloud Armor defend against DDoS attacks, while Identity and Access Management (IAM) enforces role-based access control to restrict unauthorized access. Next, data integration security. Secure API gateways ensures safe and controlled data transfer between public and private clouds, maintaining confidentiality and integrity. Then compliance. Regular security audits and compliance checks align the solution with standards like PCI DSS, GDPR, and CCPA. Last one, disaster recovery and monitoring. Backup systems ensure data redundancy, while tools like Cloud Operations Suite enable real-time threat detection and mitigation. Okay, now we are in the last slide for cloud architecture solutions. So this is the compliance strategy. The first one, adherence to regulations. Ensures compliance with CCPA, GDPR, and PCI DSS by managing sensitive client data, including payment information, in the private cloud with strict controls. The second one, data encryption. Encrypts data in transit and at rest following industry best practices and data protection regulations. The third one, data residency and privacy. Implements policies to meet GDPR and CCPA requirements, ensuring customer data is processed and stored in compliance with regional laws. Next, role-based access controls. Utilize Google Cloud IAM and private cloud policies to regulate access to sensitive data, minimizing risk of unauthorized access. Then, continuous monitoring and audits. Includes automatic compliance checks and regular security audits to ensure ongoing regulatory adherence. Last but not least, transparency and accountability. Leverage logging and monitoring tools like Google Cloud Operations Suite to maintain detailed audit trails for data access and processing.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. For the overall analysis and conclusion, also the final decision. The decision we made in the choice of SaaS service model alongside the decisions of hybrid cloud infrastructure allow Shopify to continue being a competitive platform, as well as they overcome the issues mentioned in the problem statement earlier. This strategy decisions helps make business scalable, makes operation more efficient, and increase the quality of the customer experience itself. For the conclusions, the proposed models and approach are resourceful for Shopify to keep on evolving, to keep going in the future, and construct the environment to be known as global. Shopify has the chance to strengthen its position as a global commerce player with effective management of problems and focus on the opportunities that they can be found in the cloud solutions proposed. I guess that's all from us. Thank you so much.